What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It is a beautiful day in Los Angeles, California today, and we are heading out on a... Andrew Tate, what's up?
This isn't LA.
You told me we were going to LA.
Oh, it's smoggy like LA.
What are you talking about?
We're in Edmonton.
This is smoke, not smog.
Same thing. Same
So,
thing.
okay, let's start over. Welcome back. I can't even. I guess we're in Edmonton, Alberta today, not in Los Angeles, California. But you know, you guys wouldn't know the difference anyway. And we don't really have a plan of any sort. It's gonna be a great vlog. I got a good feeling about this. We do have the C8, we do have the Supra.
That's how you know you're in Alberta right there.
That right there is the definition of Alberta. Although I think when we got last night, yeah, the guy's drinking in the back of the truck over there.
That was pretty Alberta.
Well, you do have a Saskatchewan license plate right there. But anyway, we do have the C8 here. And you know, Jamie holds a reputation for breaking windshields in my cars. Because he drove this one and he broke the windshield in it. And then I'm like, you know what? You're not old enough and mature enough to drive a C8 because you broke the windshield. So I let him drive this one, and then he broke this windshield. You guys see that? Look at that. Unreal. Like, you're grounded. You can drive your Porsche, no cars for you. Let's go wash this thing. My work ed student washed this, and then I think we're just gonna go rewash it. But, sound good? Right? I know. I know. So he's a kid. He's a kid. Purple Prelude over there. Okay, so I know what you're wondering.
What's that?
Why are we here?
Yeah, why are we here?
Well, we're here because I need a new car.
We brought 2 cars here.
We brought 3 cars here.
We brought 3 cars here?
Well, CRX.
Oh yeah.
It's a car.
It's a car.
So I need a new car.
A new car?
Yeah.
For the new house.
Yes. So I'm thinking exactly. Boom. What do you think?
You think they just leave wreaths unlocked?
No, but I bet I can find the key. So I'm thinking we need a new car.
Yeah.
Something.
Spin donuts in. 100%. Spin donuts.
Did you just talk about donuts?
Donuts.
We could do donuts. Everybody loves this.
No starlight in this one, eh?
You know what I'm not digging about a Wraith? Is the suicide doors. It's hard when you're parking somewhere. Like, what if I go to Walmart and I need like bananas?
You gonna park a Wraith beside cars at Walmart?
I took my Venador to Walmart. It was more money than the Wraith.
That's not a Wraith. So that's
So,
a Lamborghini.
okay. Let's get a quick montage and we'll figure this out.
Yeah.
Let me tell you that the Wraith isn't for me. I know it's for you, and I know it's for your wife.
I would love it.
You know why it's not for me? What? I couldn't even montage it. I got annoyed by the doors. You know what I want? An Evo.
An Evo?
Not you. Get out of the way of my shot. Come on, man. Evo. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go put these keys back on David's desk before he notices I stole them. You know, Max that edits my videos, he was shitting bricks over his 15-year-old Mercedes that needed a $900 key. How much is a Rolls Royce key? I don't want to know. I don't even know who the Rolls dealer is. So anyway, they got a lot of Porsches here. They've got, I think this is actually my car. I sold them this car. Yeah, I sold them this car. D7, or C6 I mean. C8 we already have. David, my guy, what's going on?
What's up, buddy?
I was just saying I need a new car.
A new car?
New car.
Ferrari?
Well, I don't know. The rule, like, this is welfare mud. Like the door doesn't even open the right direction.
It's the wrong. You know what? Getting in it is the weird part.
Yeah.
Like when you get out of it, that's fine. It's like a suicide door. You just step out, shut it
Right.
behind you.
Getting in, you don't
But
know
getting
how
into it, you're like this, and you're like. Then you're
Yeah, that's
turning
exactly
around,
it.
And, then you're like, what the
And I'm
hell's
like,
going on?
if I drive to Walmart to get bananas, how, like, what if somebody door danced that? I'm not feeling it. This is no good. No
No.
good. This is chump change.
Okay.
Yeah, chump change.
How about a Ford GT?
Well, that's 1.5 million.
Pocket
Yeah.
change.
Pocket change. Jamie,
Saying punk.
Hey.
How much money you got on there, huh?
get your visa. Oh yeah, it's about par for the course.
Well,
Yeah.
Here,
I don't know.
We'll trade it in.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
You got
Can-
a diamond tester on you?
Sure.
Yeah. Can we
Give her.
can we just take your
Go ahead.
visa out, put it on there, and get out of
Sure.
here? We're gonna have a conversation after. I gotta take off for a minute. And then when I come back, we'll talk about the cars.
Sounds good.
Let's go take it for one last rip, or we purchase something else. Hi, my name's Steve. What's your name? All right, good talk.
Oh yeah.
Smoky in here.
Smoky.
Smoky in here.
You guys hear that?
No, we saw the smoke. I looked outside and there was smoke. I was like, what's going on over there?
Yeah.
Holy.
I don't know if they're a very good tire. They didn't hold up very well, but what do you guys think? You guys watch YouTube?
I will be now.
Well, it was an $1,800 burnout.
Yo!
Yo, I'm back.
What's up?
I've got your car.
This is your car. Okay.
You know, Fast and Furious, this is your car.
Yeah.
This is your car.
This is the Steve Couson.
Yeah, this is your car.
Who's Dominic Toretto anyway?
Right?
Right?
Yeah, so this is your car.
Yeah, I'll take it back.
And we're going to list it, I'm thinking 105. What are you thinking?
It's a wide body. Like, look at it. Carbon hood. We did all the work to it.
Yeah.
There's just smoke coming out of it.
It's... Don't worry about it.
There's smoke coming out of it. What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I literally went to Costco real quick.
Oh,
So,
look at this.
did you guys detail?
Yeah. We'll detail it, but I need new tires. Look at this. There's chicken strips, man. I can pull apart this
I think
tire.
they got hot.
It's a
You know what? I think maybe the alignment's out, and it was scrubbing. Maybe it's
yeah.
towed in a little bit.
It's the Steve alignment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's the Steve alignment,
Mark,
right?
Mark did get mad at me today.
Why?
Well, I mean, did you see a road?
You see a road? When did you do that? I leave for an hour.
Okay. In all fairness, you said I'm leaving in an hour. We were
Yes.
gone 15 minutes and came back, and you were gone.
Yes.
How long do you think that is?
It's like
I don't know.
300 feet.
That's at least a foot. Oh, it keeps going.
Yeah, bro. Like that's.
God damn it.
Mark's like, I liked my nice clean street, so thanks for ruining it.
That's the Steve signature.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 100 yards. Easily. Well, you left your mark.
Yeah. The deal I have with Mark is this video doesn't go up till the car is sold.
Okay, deal.
Yeah.
I gotta say, I love the rented plate.
Do you?
I keep forgetting to say that. The
Yeah.
rented budget.
Right? Rented plates, budget sticker. Yeah, like, I think the alignment's out. Like, look at the tires.
Dude, I opened the door. Smoke is still coming out of it. Like,
Well,
it's still coming out. Look, you can see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but... Did you notice? I don't know if you noticed. When you were revving your CRX
yeah.
in the rev contest, it was so rich, I started gagging.
Yeah.
126. And
Yeah.
I couldn't talk in the microphone.
Yeah.
That's how you get the flames is all the fuel.
Yeah, like I literally was like...
So it needs a good detail.
No, you wouldn't say.
I don't, like, I think, like, the smoke outside is dropping rubber on the car.
No, it's ash.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean...
It's everywhere. It's peppered.
So the alignment's good on the front.
Yeah?
That's fine, yeah. I know, well, I think it's towed in and it's scrubbing. So...
Ah,
So,
they're gonna have a field day with me.
yeah, so...
You know how hard it is to clean melted rubber?
Well, I'm not a detailer, David. I don't
Look,
actually...
It's... I'm on good terms with her shop right now.
No, David.
I asked for so
You
many
were
favors.
on good terms
I
with your
was
shop.
on good terms. Are you leaving this here?
Yeah, so this is for you to sell.
Fantastic.
We're gonna list it at 105. Quick $1,800 for tires. And,
I could have put slicks on it.
yeah, well, it has slicks.
It had slicks.
Yeah,
Has.
yeah.
Well, now it's, I guess so, yeah.
Like, look at that. Like, that's gonna be at like 1/8 of an inch deep. Anyway, it's all you. Enjoy. I'm gonna grab a quick montage and we'll be out of here.
Okay, say goodbye.
Yeah. Well, guys, you heard it here. We're gonna leave the car at Sherwood. We're gonna list it at 105. There is other plans coming. This car, as much as I love it, we're just gonna move on to other things. There is some things in the works that we're gonna do. That said, let's grab a quick montage before we leave my beloved baby here that I've done nothing but taken care of and nursed its entire life. What are you picking at? Why do you keep picking at things?
It's still dirty.
Well, it's dirty because you
I pick
haven't detailed it.
everything out. Look, that's minus 5 grand. That's another 2 grand.
No, look, now we're up 10. Look, perfect.
Now we're up 10.
We're up 10.
Look, it's got a busted shield. Is that even real?
Well, I hope so. You sold it to me. So, this is for you. And there's the key. And so this is my baby. I've taken nothing but, what do you,
I don't know.
Did you just smell it?
does it smell like rubber? I've done nothing but taking care of this. I just did a very expensive oil change on it so you guys don't have to.
Cool.
It's been my baby. I've nursed it. I've treated it as though it's one of my children.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, so this is the girl. Take care of it,
We'll sell it.
and we're
quick.
gonna move on to other things.
Big things.
All of a sudden,
Big
it'll
things.
come to my house and it'll be in my garage.
Yeah.
We just gave you one key?
Well, you actually gave me 2 keys. I only brought you 1 because I didn't plan on selling it. I just showed up here and I was like, you know what I need? Well, we already talked about this, but that's how it happens. Yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, you got her.
Good to see you.
Okay, take care of it.
Hey,
105?
Watch out for
No, no, no.
rocks.
1049.
Yeah, 1049.
Okay, perfect.
104888.
Ooh, I like it. Well, guys, that's it. Make sure you subscribe, smash a like. We'll see you on the next one. We did get to see a funny video of Jamie falling, and we're hoping to get the security footage of that.